Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add the confetti emoji animation to your WhatsApp status. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. The first thing you want to do is create a new post. You're going to click on the image icon and you're going to select an image of your choice. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to crop this image into a square shape. Now, after cropping the image, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the sticker icon at the top of the screen, and from there you want to click on reactions. Okay, now after clicking on reactions, it is going to bring you to the reaction page where you can select any emoji of your choice. You can click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen to go through the collection of emojis on WhatsApp, and from here you can search and select your preferred emoji. Now, after getting your preferred emoji, the next thing you want to do is you want to expand the emoji in such a way that it covers the entire screen. And after that, you're going to click on the sticker icon again, and this time you want to select photos. And now you can select your preferred photo, the one you want the status viewers to see. It can be a meme, a picture of yourself, anything, just your preferred photo, okay? Now, after selecting the photo, you want to expand it in such a way that it covers the entire screen because you don't want the status viewers seeing what is underneath, okay? So the picture is going to act as a camouflage. And from here you can add finishing touches like captions, anything else. After that, the next thing you want to do is you just want to post the picture. And now I am on my second phone as a status viewer. I'm viewing this particular post, and as you can see, when I click on it, the emojis burst out in a confetti mode. Try this out and let me know what your opinion is in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.